Begin lying on one side on a comfortable surface with your knees bent and stacked on top of each other. Extend your top arm straight out in front of you at shoulder height with your palm facing down. Place the palm of your bottom arm on your top knee to help keep your legs anchored. Ensure your knees remain together and firmly pressed to the floor throughout the exercise to stabilize your lower body and isolate the movement in your upper body. Initiate the movement by raising your top arm and opening it out to the opposite side. As you do this, rotate your torso in the direction of the arm movement, allowing your head to naturally follow the motion of your arm. Continue opening your arm until it is as close to the ground as your mobility allows without letting your knees come off the ground. Once you've reached your end range, hold the position for a moment to deepen the stretch across your chest, shoulder, and thoracic spine. Gently and slowly return your arm to the starting position in front of you, maintaining control and mindfulness of your knee position. Complete the prescribed number of reps on this side. Then switch to lying on your other side and repeat the entire sequence. Open books are an excellent exercise for anyone looking to improve thoracic spine mobility, reduce tightness in the chest, and enhance overall posture. Regular inclusion in your mobility or warm-up routine can lead to increased range of motion, decreased risk of upper body stiffness, and improved functional movement. As always, don't push past any pain and remember to breathe.